Yeah. Cheer. They waiting for that to climb. Pray that I lose my mind, they never want me to shine. But I observe that trouble, I will serve that. Ear to the streets, never will I give the curve back. Still moving at a velocity, still sensing the animosity. Hate mail is what they send me, but I separate letters like an apostrophe. Colossal he didn't come the same, must have had two angles. He was Isosceles, but now I'm Socrates with philosophies. I'm in my treehouse, please don't bother me. And now it's looking like hella smoke. Underage, they letting me pass the velvet rope. And it's life getting reckless, feeling like a Lone Star, Texas. I know what's on your mind. You don't think that we gon' shine. I face you to prove you wrong. Thought I was weak, I tell you I'm getting strong. And this time it's gonna be different than the last time. Swear I'm gonna turn this from a hobby and a pastime. Tomorrow's gonna be better than today. And this'll wash the pain away. Could you cheer for me when you see me? Had to follow my dreams and they could not believe me. But you see, I need it for the cake. I go like Tune Day on your TV and the radio. Retro 80 flow, hood made me crazy though. Put in work with music, but the school made me lazy though. Why? That's cause I couldn't write enough rhymes. They say that hip-hop is dead, we bring the vital signs. Never tripping, I'm on a different grind. Bring slaughter to your houses, a young nickel 9. See, now tell me, would you get me wrong if I told you in the studio I met Solange? If I said I commanded like it's the Pentagon, hating on, even on the roof I'm upper echelon. But still forever we shine, turn the negative to positive, I never decline.